How's it going today, everyone? It's Learn123 Guns and Guitars. Today, I'm going to be practicing with my Taurus PT-24 in 45 ACP using Winchester 230 grain round nose white box ammunition. And I'm just going to practice some pistol techniques. Maybe I'll show you one. Stay tuned. Now, I want to thank everybody for watching this video, all my loyal viewers and subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, click that button in the bottom right hand of your screen. Click the bell for notifications of new videos every Friday until I run out of ideas for new content. So we're about 7 yards here from these targets, which are standard white flyers. Okay, these are just clay pigeons that you would get at Walmart for $6 a box. Modified slightly for my target hanging system. If you'd like to know how I made it, you can click this card in the top of the video and I'll show you how I made my target hangers. So I'm gonna get my ear protection on and we're going to get started. I'm just gonna get some practice dusting some of these targets and then I'll show you how I achieve the rapid fire accuracy that I have. This is a technique that I learned from a local police officer here and I would like to share this with you, okay? So as you can see, I didn't hit every time, but I did have pretty good follow-up accuracy on such a small target. So now I'm going to show you how I did that, okay? So I'm going to show you the idea of using your trigger reset. So this weapon has no magazine, it's unloaded, okay? But I can show you this technique. So let's have it cocked, and we're gonna pretend it's chambered, okay? And I'm slowly squeezing the trigger until it normally would go off. At that point, the gun normally would cock itself before I can let my finger forward again. I slowly let my finger forward until I hear it click. And then I have minimum creep, minimum distance that my finger must travel to reset the trigger. So bang. The gun cocks again, reset, fire. Gun cocks again, reset, fire. Gun cocks again, reset, fire. Instead of traveling all this distance to fire follow-up shots accurately. Now, I am by no means a shooting expert, okay? I've been working my entire life to get better, more accurate. So something that I think it's important to say is I've never been in combat. I'm not a veteran. I'm not a police officer. I haven't worked in security. But I just want to show that a regular guy can learn these techniques and do this, okay? So another thing that a lot of the experts have probably noticed that I'm doing wrong is my stance. So this time I'm going to try to improve my stance, and instead of leaning back, I'm going to be leaning into my shot. I'm going to put my ears on and let's see if I can't hit 8 targets quickly with 12 rounds in this magazine. finally got that one that was rotating on me. I probably wasted more shots on that one that was rotating. Wow. But I guess I can make excuses all day. I got to keep working at this. But I hope that you all learned something. If you liked the video, click that subscribe button. Click the thumbs up button. If you got any questions, comments, help me out on my forum. Use that comment section below. And these little white banners that pop up top, these are links to other videos of mine. Check you later, guys and girls. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.